Stainless steel 304. Uses and grade classifications. Stainless steel grade 304, UNSS 30400 and grade 304L, UNSS 30403. This video contains everything you need to know about stainless steel 304 and 304L, as well as their use. You will learn: what is stainless steel 304? How stainless steel 304 is made. The uses for stainless steel 304 and 304L. The grades of stainless steel 304. And much more. Specs for stainless steel 304 and 304L. ASTM A240 and ASTM A666. Stainless steel 304 to 18A. Stainless steel 304L 18-9. Chapter 1. What is stainless steel grade 304? Chapter 2. How do other grades of stainless steel compare to stainless steel grades 304 and 304L? Austenitic family. Ferritic family. Martensitic family. Duplex family. Precipitation hardened family. Stainless steel grading systems. Society of Automotive Engineers, 3-digit system. The American Society of Testing and Materials, 6-digit system. Chapter 3. What is the composition and alloying elements of stainless steel 304? Chemical composition of stainless steel series grade 304. Alloying elements in stainless steel 304. Iron. Carbon. Chromium. Nickel. Manganese. Phosphorus. Sulfur. Silicon. Nitrogen. Choosing stainless steel 304 for your application. Frequently asked questions. What is stainless steel 304 and why is it so widely used? How does stainless steel 304 differ from grade 316? What are the main alloying elements in stainless steel 304? What are the main variants of stainless steel 304? Where is stainless steel 304 commonly used in local industries? What are the key advantages of the passive layer in stainless steel 304? Chapter 4. What are the different grades of stainless steel 304? Properties of the grades of stainless steel 304. Grade 304, UNSS 30400. Grade 304L, UNSS 30403. Grade 304H. The properties of stainless steel grade 304. Corrosion resistance. Heat resistance. Creep strength. Structural stability. Machinability. Mechanical properties of stainless steel grade 304. Cleanability. Chapter 5. How stainless steel 304 is made. Melting. Decarburization. Tuning. Forming or casting. Hot rolling. Cold rolling. Annealing. Descaling or pickling. Cutting. Ingots. Looms. Billets. Slabs. Finishes. Chapter 6. What are the products made from stainless steel grade 304? Home. Construction. Food processing. Industrial use. Transportation. Chapter 7. Who are the top producers of stainless steel grade 304? Source 21, Inc. Cleveland Cliffs, Inc. Allegheny Technologies. Acerinox. Aperam. Conclusion. Please visit www.IQSDirectory.com to find the right stainless steel 304 manufacturer for your needs.